Hi everyone, Soren back with another tutorial. Today it is about squeals. Hope you're ready. The first thing we should notice when doing squeal sounds is that it is not kaigia. It is kume instead. Kume is where we will hear overtones combined with the ventricular folds. So when you hear kaigia, it sounds like this. Omni nunae, oi, 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 omni nunae. When you do kume, you will suddenly hear overtones created with the sound. So for example, so as you could hear when I did kume, there's suddenly a lot of these overtones. That's why there's a lot of different sounding squeals as well, because depending on where you put this squeal sound, you'll either get a very bright sound, meaning forward placement, or a lesser bright sound because you're putting the pressure a little bit more back in your oral cavity. Second off, it's basically like a guttural sound. However, the room inside your oral cavity has changed in size. For example, this is regular gutturals. What's really happening for it to become a squeal is you lift your jaw so the room is smaller. That's why if you know your vowels correctly, you know e, u, and ü, for example, would be good sounds to use. That's probably why this bree bree sound turned into a thing. So, for example, it is just the room in the oral cavity that changed. So do not overthink it. Go back, watch my tutorial on how to do gutturals, and then come back here and watch this and you will instantly have it. One of the other things we should notice when doing these guttural squeals is in general that it's very good to do it with music turned on, because the sound changes quite a bit and you'll be quite amazed how different it sounds with and without music attached to it. So when you practice, already have a microphone, audio interface so you can record on top of some music, or at least be able to play the music quite loud while you sing through your microphone, if you're not in a band that needs this sound already. So at least practice with music, and here's an audio example where you can hear me sing on top of an instrumental. So I hope that you liked the tutorial, and subscribe to all our different platforms and ring that bell if you liked it, and give a little thumbs up. So hope you liked it, and see you at RMS Vocal Institute.